Okay, not to worry anyone, but I just coughed up some black shit. I don't know or if it's dried blood, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna die. Cause what the fuck? So yeah, I don't know what that black stuff was, but it is the Iron Bowl weekend. Todd just he either went to get Popeyes, Little Caesars, or he went to Walmart to get chicken wings so that we could cook here. That was my suggestion, and I think he's gonna go with it because he's been gone for a while. I don't know why this window's open. It's hot as fuck, Chloe. We gotta close that. I'm sorry, dude. It's hot out there. She'll bite me later for that shit. Yeah, what do you think about that?
No fag.
It's not good.
Oh, wow, okay. Yeah, fisherman.
Brandon's trying to hook up with Lou, low key. Brandon sent a picture to Lou in a female filter and said, "Hey, sexy," or something.
No fag.
Lou said, "You look kind of sexy, like your new girlfriend." And Brandon said, "So you're saying there's a chance?" And he said,
no fag. The reference was to expose the setup. On your part.
"Oh shit."
I'm not exactly sure what he's trying to say, but I like the controversial
Send him a dick
response.
pic.
Oh, okay.
He get the belt.
Game just started. Everyone's excited.
She's injured, Mom. Great.
We lost a player in 10 seconds.
Shoot him with cocaine. They're gonna shoot him, Mom. Yeah. He's just back out there walking on a broken foot. There it is. Yeah! How about a push off right there? How about some pass interference on you? This shit is wrong.
A little bit. Won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then all the reindeer loved him. That's me in my house. We have yet to get footage over there. It's the most wonderful time. It's the happy season. Quick. Barbie's sick.
And he had to slow down too.
She ate too much gravy. Game is not going as well as we thought, but
Oh my gosh.
we won. We won. Wiggle, war eagle, motherfucker, poop, poop, poop. Poor Todd. Whose man is this? Team just lost.
Alabama's out of the playoff picture. They lost their all-star quarterback to Tonga Maloa.
They lost 2 games this year, and we beat them one of them. What?
And LSU. Go Tigers!